Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use automated messages and quick replies in WhatsApp Business. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Quick messages are a great way to manage your clients and your availability in WhatsApp Business. Let's explore these options. Open your WhatsApp Business and then tap on the Tools button on the bottom right corner. There are 3 different types of automated messages in WhatsApp Business that is located under the Organize Your Chats heading. The first option is the Greetings messages. Tap on it. If a new customer messages you, the greetings messages will be sent to them. Moreover, if a returning customer messages you after 14 days, this also will be sent to them. Press back and tap on the Away messages. You can edit your Away message by tapping on it. What this does is, when someone messages you when you are outside your business hours, the message will be sent to them, indicating that you are away from business and that you will text them back when you're back on business. Now for the last option, which says Quick Replies, this is a bit different. This option sends a pre-made reply to your customer based on the keyword they use in their text. Tap on the plus icon. Now type any word as shortcut. Now type the reply message. The shortcut basically triggers the reply message to be sent. You can tap on Save button to save this. And that's it. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.